Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm unboxing the WD Black P50 1TB SSD game drive. It has up to 2000 megabit a second transfer rate, which is extremely fast. And you'll see that the SSD has an awesome metallic black case. It has some vents down here and little rubber feet, so when you set it down, it's stable. It won't move. You have the USB-C port here on the back with 2 activity lights when it gets going. This is 1 terabyte in size. We're going to go further in the box. They give you some documentation here. How to plug it into your Xbox One, your PC, and PlayStation 4, so it works with all of these. And of course, if you reformat it, it'll work with your Mac as well. They give you a cool USB-C to USB-C cable. So this is for the faster speed, which is nice. And they give you a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Now this has got the blue tip right here, so you know it's super speed. So this is the drive, and yeah, it's going to be super fast. They say, and it's rated for 2000 megabits right there. Here's some more details back here. You can pause the video and read those. It's got a 5-year warranty. It's 3D NAND memory technology right there. This is the WD Black P50 1 terabyte.